Hello again, this is Bruce in the Rocky Mountain Labs here, and today we're taking a look at a B&K Precision 1805 80 megahertz frequency counter. Counter's in good condition. Some minor signs of use. There's actually I think that would rub out. Windows in good condition. Front faceplate. Minor scratch here or there. Calibration hole in the bottom. This unit's been modified to accept a regular computer plug. Definite plus, since the original cord is extremely hard to find and quite expensive. The unit's been calibrated to within a hertz. As shown here, we got 9,999,999 hertz out of 10 megahertz. Actually, as it warms up a little bit, we'll probably be right on 10. The unit will measure in kilohertz, megahertz. It has 4 ranges for each measurement position. It'll measure period, I think from 5 hertz to about 2 megahertz. And it'll totalize, it'll count events. Has a reset, a hold, a filter, ×1 ×10 attenuation factor, and performs quite well. And as predicted, we did come up to 10 million, right to within a hertz. Alright, we're measuring 80 megahertz here. We'll see it flash a little bit plus or minus a digit, which is normal. But we're right on 80. And if I dial down, here's 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 900. I'll be able to measure, I think, down to about 600,000 hertz with this particular frequency generator. 800. Let's change back to kilohertz. 700. 600. Okay. Now that was all using the PTS 500 up here. But since we're no good below 600 kilohertz, we're going to change to this HP 3320, which works more in the below 10 megahertz range. Turn her on. We're going to let her warm up a little bit. There's 100 kilohertz. It's 0.1 megahertz. 100 kilohertz. All right. 10 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz. To a couple of decimal places as my generator can handle. And let's go 100 hertz. There's 100 hertz. All right, and there we are with 10 hertz. Let's go 9, 7, 5. There we go. Okay, here we've got ourselves set to measure period, and we're getting 1 microsecond. And you can see as we change the range, we pick up resolution. Although we can kick up the resolution to 4 digits, typically the time span, well, especially for frequency, is 10 seconds. It's a little bit much, but here we're getting a period of 1 to 4 decimal places, 1 microsecond, which is absolutely accurate. Let's see if we can, we'll try 800,000, 1.25. Perfect. So our period is working. And if we totalize, that's best seen at a low frequency rate. Here you can see we're totalizing, we're counting upwards. And if I hold it, I can display it, and when I release the hold, I think we pick up again. We're actually counting in the background, I believe. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, it's still counting in the background even though it held the figure for us to look at. I've got the filter on. I could remove that filter. Doesn't matter. So you can total the events. We could reset. We've held. We can attenuate. And there we go. It's a nice counter. Gives a lot of really nice basic functions to your bench. Easy to access buttons. Nice cabinet to display it in. Good stand. Everything you want on a counter. So happy bidding, and thank you for listening. See you again next time.